Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel PSC Confidence Booster. Today we see another 25 important multiple choice questions related to electrical measurements and instruments. Then let me start. Question number 1. The electrostatic effect is utilized for. Answer is option B, voltmeters. Question number 2. The instrument which can be used only with the DC supply is. Answer is option A, PMMC instrument. Question number 3. Instrument which can be used only with the AC supply is. Answer is option A, induction type. Question number 4. Electronic voltmeters can be designed to measure. Answer is option C, both very small and very high voltages. Question number 5. In a hot wire instrument, readings are. Answer is option B, independent of both frequency and waveform. Question number 6. To increase the current sensitivity below 10 millivolt, electronic instrument uses. Answer is option A, amplifiers. Question number 7. If a moving iron instrument is to be used as ammeter, then the coil has. Answer is option B, fewer number of turns of thick wire. Question number 8. If the direction of current through the coil is upward, then the iron disc will be magnetized in such a way that it is. Answer is option D, pulled inwards. Question number 9. In the given options, the secondary fundamental unit is. Answer is option B, luminous intensity. Question number 10. Bridge circuits are used for the measurement of. Answer is option B, all of these. Question number 11. Low resistance is the resistance of the order of. Answer is option A, 1 ohm and less than 1 ohm. Question number 12. AC bridges are used for the measurement of. Answer is option C, inductance and capacitance. Question number 13. The commonly used detector in AC bridges is. Answer is option D, headphones, tune amplifiers, vibration galvanometers. Question number 14. The vibration galvanometers are sensitive to power for the frequency range of. Answer is option A, 200 Hz and below. Question number 15. The scale of dynamometer wattmeter is. Answer is option A, approximately uniform. Question number 16. The devices used for flow obstruction is. Answer is option B, all of these. Question number 17. In a dynamometer type wattmeter, the pressure coil connected across the load terminal is. Answer is option C, highly resistive. Question number 18. The instrument which works only with DC is. Answer is option B, both A and B. Question number 19. The electrolytic energy meters are essentially. Answer is option B, an ampere hour meter. Question number 20. CRO gives the virtual representation of time varying signals. The display of the signal is. Answer is option B, two-dimensional. Question number 21. Principally CRO is a. Answer is option B, voltmeter. Question number 22. The rate at which fluid flows through a closed pipe can be determined by. Answer is option C, either A or B. Question number 23. Conveyor based method is used for the measurement of the flow of. Answer is option A, solids. Question number 24. The example of low resistance is. Answer is option D, all of these. Question number 25. For an instrument, the degree of repeatability or reproducibility in a measurement is an alternative way of expressing its. Answer is option A, precision.